Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is my DIY Poison Ivy costume. Thanks so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Like, comment, subscribe. Kidding, obviously. I'm just like wearing a bunch of leaves. Anyways, hey guys, what's up? It's Amber. Welcome back to my channel. Do you recognize me? I have a huge zit right now also. Good God. Okay. That's enough rambling. Anyways, can you tell I had too much coffee this morning? So, focusing. Welcome back to my 13 days of Halloween series where I am doing all my costumes. And today, even though I'm not ready at all, I got no makeup on, I'm wearing Justin Bieber merch at like 7 a.m. But today, I'm gonna turn myself into a very sexy Poison Ivy. This is just such a hot costume. I have to try and do it. So without further ado, here we go. Bippity boppity, my DIY Poison Ivy costume. Enjoy. Oh, by the way, you guys, I think your favorite part of these videos is that I'm gonna start to look worse and worse each one. My outfit of the days are like slowly deteriorating sitting inside making Halloween costumes. So here's my outfit of the day. This is what I wear sitting around my house. But good news is my costumes are gonna get better and better and better. Yeah, so don't look at my face yet, blah, blah. Okay, George, do you care to show us what the ingredients are? Thank you, that was amazing. You did such a good job. Star! Dun, 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 as I call it, the ingredients. So here's what we got. So for this costume, we are going to do a version of this cartoon that I saw. I just was dying. I loved it. For the base of the costume, what you need is a base of the costume. I went ahead and got this green toned corset. You can see it's like a little lace up corset like this. We also need some green tights. I got some like pale green tights because I wanted it to contrast with the direct green that is going to be the boots and the gloves. So we got some thigh high boots and we got some armpit high black gloves. Like, okay, work, hello. So dramatic, it's like really intense gardening. But yeah, like these black boots are fire. I got these on Amazon. Literally they're like thigh high black boots. Honestly, 10 out of 10 stars would just recommend in life. Ooh, ooh, ooh. We love that, so great. So we got those. I am going to attempt to spray paint them green. Is this going to work? I have no idea. We'll see. I have underwear that match this somewhere, so you also need like bottoms, obviously, unless you just want to be like pussy out, in which case go off queen, but you know. Anyways, yeah, we got that. And then we have, oh my goodness, a bunch of what is supposed to be poison ivy, but I think it's just regular ivy, but it doesn't matter. It's Halloween, therefore it's poison. So we're gonna, you know, obviously kind of like decorate this with that. And that's what we got for this project. I'm actually gonna do two versions of this costume. I'm gonna do the original, like this version, and I'm also gonna do a super extra duper spicy version because that's just how I like to roll. So for the other version, you need this green lingerie set that I got also, shock, on Amazon, and this bra. And of course, I can't believe I almost forgot this. We need, of course, a long red wig for Miss Poison Ivy's hair. Like when I actually do this right, it's gonna be awesome. So, you know, I don't know what I could be in this fit, but this could kind of be a fit too. So let's go on a little field trip and get started. Ba-na-na-na-na. Ooh, how's this for a cool transition? So of course you need a trusty glue gun as well, and you need to set up your favorite Halloween movie so you can get started because this is actually going to take a hot minute. But first thing before we actually start the gluing process is we're going to kind of clean up the corset a little bit. I lost my scissors, so I'm using these, but we're just going to go ahead and trim off all of the like trimmings to make it easier to glue stuff to. So you can see I got rid of all the ribbons and bows and shenanigans. So now it's just plain. Then I'm going to take the leaves on the vine and you can just rip them off. Haha, kind of violent, but you know, there you go. Then you go ahead and cut off the like little stem, but basically you're just gonna kind of lay them all over the corset in any sort of pattern you want. It's kind of whatever you want. There's no real right way to do it. So just kind of arrange them however, and then literally all we're going to do is hot glue them right on. Just grab the glue gun, ba-da-da-da, press the flower on there, press the leaf on there, and ta-da, all done. Just 400 billion jillion more to go. So you can see I just kind of layered those on, kind of putting them one underneath the other to make it look a little more layered and quote as realistic as you can possibly make this because it's a fake cartoon. But you know, that is kind of the vibe there. So I'll just go ahead and decorate that. You can see I just kept going and doing more and more different sized leaves to kind of layer it up until it is all covered. It's starting! My house literally is chaos, by the way, all the costumes everywhere, my God. But here we go. Now we gotta do the underwear. So for the underwear, same thing. I ended up using lace underwear. For some reason, lace underwear is just really easy to glue stuff to. Don't ask me why I know this, but yeah, same way I did before. I just hot glued some leaves onto those. Again, no real way to do this. I just kind of decorated the whole thing until they were leafy little underwear. So you can see the base of the costume then is going to kind of look like that. We have the corset and we have the underwear. When you put them together, it's actually going to look like a bodysuit just like hers. So we got that. For the base of the sexier version, we're just going to literally do the same thing. Glue them onto the garter too. I actually flipped the garter around. It's supposed to be facing forward, but I'm like this crisscross thing. So I'm going to make that the front, but used some of the ribbon and recycled it because we love the environment here. We are dressing up as a leaf for Halloween. So took some ribbon and go ahead and I went ahead and glued some of the leaves onto that just one by one. So it's going to be like a choker and also some arm cuffs. So eventually for the base of the costume, the super sexy version, it is going to look like this. Okay, so now we're gonna do the boots, which I did this morning, so. Glorious day to come spray paint random shit outside. Okay, so I just went ahead and laid the boots out on the grass because, well, if I get green spray paint on the grass, it's fine because grass is green anyway. So I just went ahead and spray painted those. Oh yeah, looks like I'm committing some really weird crime. This actually worked amazing, super easy, didn't smell weird or anything. Took me about 5 minutes, so it also dried super duper fast, which was awesome. That's what the finished spray painted boots looked like, and to decorate them, oh, shocker, I just took the leaves and hot glued those to the top of that. So super easy, you know, I just, again, glue gun, leaves, not rocket science, actually quite simple. I then did the same thing to the gloves and glued a bunch of leaves onto the tip of the gloves, so then everything looked like so. Hi, little muffin man, I love you. For all the accessories, grabbed some craft wire and again ripped off the leaves, but this time I'm leaving the stems on and they're gonna have a little hole in the center of them. So actually I'm just gonna almost make like a little bead necklace like we used to make as kids and string the leaves right onto there. So you can see then if you bend the wire around your ankle, put the stocking on over a shoe. You can see I did that here. I just poked a hole in the bottom of it. Kind of makes it look like your feet are just growing plants, which honestly looks pretty dang cool, if I do say so myself. And you can see they'll look like this when you put the socks on them. I mean, definitely weird, but it's Halloween, who cares? You got leafy shoes, ooh. And now that we got all that ready, we get to get ready ourselves. So like I said, yeah, I'm not done up at all. This is what I actually look like, FYI. I've shown this a million times, but there you go. And today is extra special because of that. So just in the spirit for Halloween. So let's commence the makeover. Lord knows I need it. Been to Ulta really quick because I forgot to get some green makeup. So let's see what we can find. Dun, dun, dun. Oh, I actually need a new beauty blender. This should work. Cool, this should do. So we have a lot of work to do. First we're gonna put in some green contacts because Poison Ivy has green eyes. Oh, look at that. Green, not green. Okay. All right, now I'm not gonna bore you with my normal glam routine because you've seen me do it a million times, but you want some real life witchcraft, are you ready? Here we go. Ta-da, I look worse. No, I'm just kidding. Okay, so yeah, I'm like halfway done. I'm gonna try and do some green eyeshadow because Miss Poison Ivy has green eyeshadow. So let's see what we can do. Also, I think there's a booger in my nose. Oh my God, I'm a mess. Okay. So I got this little green palette from Ulta because it was cheap. It was like $3. Let's see if we can make it pretty. You guys know makeup isn't really like my forte, but also I have no eyebrows. I know, I'm a mess. I look like a frog. Okay, sexy toad energy. We love to see it. I even got some green eyeliner that I went ahead and lined my waterline with. Again, I'm not really a beauty guru like at all, but that actually looks kind of cool. All right, cool. Let's do our hair because, yeah. Let's turn into a redhead, shall we? I never realized how funny this is. Literally, bitch, same. Okay, let's do this. This is so glamorous. Oh my God, I look so beautiful. I look. Get this to make it stay a little extra more secure, you know? Should probably brush this. Oh, like taking care of a weird pet. All right, let's try this shenanigan. Okay. Whoa, 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 whoa. Honestly, that's a look. I feel like I look more like Ariel. Look at this stuff. Isn't it neat? Wouldn't you say my collection's complete?
PSS, because I realized I don't actually know how to put on wigs and the hairline looked really weird, I went ahead and grabbed the craft wire again and then just glued some of the leaves right onto a piece of little wire. So you can see I just kind of glued those on in a weird little pattern there. Then I used eyelash glue to glue that to my forehead. Would I recommend that? No. I think it pulled off a chunk of my skin. But the choker came out cute too, by the way. So go ahead and throw that on. And
okay, work. Looking good. I went ahead and made my eyebrows like a little more red too to match my hair. So, now let's put on all the rest of the accessories and get going. You can still see my brown hair. Oh well. Okay.
Then I went in and grabbed the rest of the costume and it was time for the reveal of costume 1.
OMG, are you guys ready for this? This looks fire! This came out unbelievable. Woo, we really look just like her. Oh my gosh. The gloves are great, the hairband is great, the choker is great, the little corset thing came out awesome. You can see it looks like it's just a bodysuit just like hers. These green tights were actually perfect for contrast, and the boots look amazing. I really didn't think the boots were gonna come out this good, but wow, they did. Maybe I'll just wear these like in life. That would be kind of fun. Just go to the grocery store. Why not? I really do feel like just one giant leaf blower. You know, a lawn, but make it spicy. Ooh, ooh, ooh. I'm a superhero. Is she a superhero or a supervillain? I don't know. I've actually never seen Batman. Oops. We nailed that version. And now I'll show you the sexy version. I know this is sexy too, but you know what? Modesty is not in my vocabulary. The choices are either sexy or sexier.
And now for costume 2. Da-na-na-na-na, drum roll please.
Go ahead and make a nice little garden here on my viney wall. God, I've like really destroyed these gloves with my long nails. Oops. Oh my god, we nailed it. Honestly, a look. This just looks so cool. Ooh, oh yeah. This honestly came out even better than I thought it was going to. On fire. Covering the hairline with this was literally genius. You can see it all done up here, all full length. Ooh. This is the best Poison Ivy costume a bitch ever did see. Obviously very spicy, but you know, like I said, that's how I like to roll. Do you love it, Pumpkin? You love this one? Is it because I look like grass and you like grass? Maybe, okay. Honestly, this is just like a different version of my fairy costume. So fabulous. They replaced my blood with aloe and filled my lips with venom. And lip fillers. Pick your poison. What the hell can I do in a TikTok for this?
Replaced my blood with aloe, my skin with chlorophyll, and filled my lips with venom.
This is a fire wig too. Should I become a redhead? My god. I'm absolutely living for this costume. If I go out on Halloween, I'm going to wear this. Usually I just sit inside like a loser because I am super lame, but you know, I do be looking hot in my house. I could even use this as a boa and be a green showgirl. Da, da, na, 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 da, da. All right, I feel like a tree. That's enough of that. So there you have it, you guys. That was my DIY Poison Ivy costume. I hope you guys enjoyed the little craft. If you did, like, comment, subscribe. And if you recreate either of the looks, please tag me. I love, 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 love to see them. I will see you guys very soon for our next costume. Happy almost Halloween. Ta-ta for now. I love ya. And remember, you don't have to dress sexy to be a supervillain, but it is fun, so. Kisses till next time. XO. I know, I'm barely dressed. You don't really think I would go out like this, do you? Of course not. I'm going out like that.